So this dance starts with weight on the left, and you're going to rock to your right. So you're going to go rock to the right. You're going to come back with your weight on the left, and then you're going to do a behind side cross, or it's called a weave as well. Then you're going to take that left foot, you're going to rock it out just the opposite direction, and then you're going to bring it behind side cross. Then you're going to take that right foot, you're going to bring it out, you're going to tap to the right, toe, left toe, and then right heel, left heel. You're going to bring that back so you can now step forward on your right. Together, clap, step left, forward, clap. Then you're going to rock forward, shuffle back over your right, left, forward, shuffle back over your left, and then you're going to do a right kick, left toe, left kick, right toe, and then you're going to do a right kick, cross it over, and then you're going to do a quarter turn back to the front to start the dance.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.